video. My name is Kevin with NIA Design, and today we're going to be installing the NIA Sides on that Lexus IS. With the purchase of the NIA Sides, you'll receive 18 screws. For this installation, you're going to need a 10mm socket, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, a clip remover, or you can use a stubby flathead screwdriver, and we definitely recommend an angle driver for installation. First things first, we're going to remove the factory guard that's back here, and that's removed with the 10mm socket and the clip remover. So we're going to remove this clip first, and this is when you get the clip remover or the flathead screwdriver. You just clip it off just like so. So now, using the 10mm socket, locate the bolt that's right next to the clip that you just removed, and remove just like so. And lastly, with the 10mm socket, take this bolt on located next to the wheel, just like so. Now, using the same clip that you just removed, present this through the pre-drilled hole on your side skirt, and use the same factory hole to present it to, and just clip it right on. Once aligned, start drilling the screws in from the bottom up. When drilling in the screws, go halfway with the drill and finish it off with the stubby screwdriver. That way you prevent from stripping the plastic on the side screws. Once all the screws are tight, you're good to go. Thank you for checking out this video. Please check out the website, see this and many products that we have for the Lexus IS. Thank you.